Hey everyone, it's Kyle with Prolux, back at you with another pro cleaning tip video. In today's video, I'm going to show you something that most people overlook. I'm going to show you how to clean up your refrigerator coils. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating on a Whirlpool refrigerator. The coils on fridges can either be found on the front of the unit or on the back, but on this model of fridge, they are found on the front. I already removed the front cover plate and we'll just get started. The vacuum I'll be using is the Prolux Triton. As long as you have a vacuum that has a duster brush and a crevice tool, you'll be good to go. So what you're looking at right now is the front cover plate for the coils, and as you can see there's a bunch of dust and lint. You want to do this every 6 to 12 months. But you're going to want to do it more, especially if you have a pet that sheds a lot. So this right here is the front cover, and I will show you what the actual coils look like. Alright, so here is the coils on the fridge. I get my phone's flashlight out so you can see, but yikes, look at that. All across the front it's just covered in dust and lint. So we're going to go ahead and get this all vacuumed up real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming up the front plate, and then we'll move on to the actual coils. So you want to make sure you start with the crevice tool, and then once you got most of the dust and lint removed, go ahead and switch out for the duster brush to finish up any loose ends. So now that we got the front plate all cleaned up, we're going to move on to the actual coils. Alright, so now we're going to start vacuuming up the coils. And then since we just got done using the crevice tool, we'll go back through it with the duster brush to clean anything we might have missed. Alright, so we just got done cleaning the coils with a crevice and duster tool. You can still notice some dust. This is when you want to bring in a brush to dislodge a lot of it while you are vacuuming it up. But as you can see, it looks a lot better than before. Alright, this sums up another pro cleaning tip video brought to you by Prolux. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me clean my refrigerator coils. If you're very meticulous when it comes to cleaning, like myself, you probably notice all the dust and lint behind the first set of coils we cleaned. I will get around to that, but just for the video purpose, I wanted to keep it short and simple for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions or concerns about the Prolux Triton, which we use in this video, you can visit our website. The link to our website will be in the description, or you can send us an email at service@proluxcleaners.com. Remember, I'm Kyle with Prolux. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.